Welcome back guys to another video, and this week we're at, I want to say, a combine harvester graveyard. They do dismantle them here, the reused parts. A lot of them do look like they've caught fire, maybe in fields, but yeah, a lot of the parts do get restored or reused, should I say, on other combine harvesters. So it's basically like a bit of a recycling thing, and then when there's nothing left, they get scrapped. But yeah, make sure you give it a like, give it a share. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and let us take you around. There is literally hundreds upon hundreds of them, rows upon rows. So yeah, smash that like button. Yeah, this is what I was saying about the look. A lot of them look like they've had a fire, maybe got overheated and just set on fire. I ain't no expert when it comes to combine harvesters, but my guess with looking at most of them down there, a lot of the problems with combine harvesters is probably overheating problems, I'd say. Wouldn't you?
Yeah, definitely. Either all torch.
Proper torch to where the engines are,
just
innit?
needed more oil, lad.
Oil got low. Yeah, you can see some parts have already been taken off that one.
Yeah, it's like all cabs
Just gone, haven't they? Wouldn't have been cheap either. You got the attachments up here.
They're wheels.
I don't know what these are. They look like trailers. Old JCBs there.
That's straight down in the middle of these red things. Looks like
Be careful for grass snakes out here. Seen the sign up there, beware of grass snakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't want one of them wrapped around your leg. Probably not even that bad, to be fair.
Yeah, these are like wheels.
Oh yeah, all the rims. You got all the rims here. This is pretty much like a recycling yard for combine harvesters. Obviously you've got all the attachments that go on the front of them here. Thought that was a camera then, I was like, eh? It's absolutely huge. The guy did give us permission as well. We went up, asked him if we could get some pictures in the video, and he was like, yeah. Obviously, places like this do respect whether it's been a working place, but it's not a very common sight seeing so many combine harvesters in one place. That one's absolutely battered. More attachments up here. We'll go down the rows in a minute, but I just want to walk to the end. Yeah, looks like the common fault in these is engine problems, overheating maybe. Looks like a lot of farmers have lost combine harvesters. So many, absolutely crazy. And they're all in order as well. So, yeah. Dominator. New Holland. So yeah, like I was saying, they're all in order. Some are newer than others. Some don't even look like they've got issues. Some look like they've been driven in. Don't look like there's much damage with that one. Some don't even have cabs. They've been completely burnt out. Like this one. Or burnt off, basically like a burning gun, innit? I don't know the actual names for them, but they're like blow torches and just literally cut through steel. Like I say, probably don't know what half the stuff is on these combine harvesters, but if you do know, let us know in the comments. But it does look, like I was saying before, it does look like the common problem in these combine harvesters. Something to do with the engine. There's so many of them burnt out. Some of it, like that one, will be rust, because that does look like quite an old combine harvester. Yeah, just get actually size of this place. Some of these though look like trailers. Maybe you guys at home can help me out. Does look like something you'd attach to a tractor maybe. That looks like it's had bullet holes put through it. Another old one. That don't look that old, to be fair. Something was here and it's been taken. But it doesn't look like there's much actually protecting the combine harvesters. It's just a glass cab. Another burnt out one. It's a shame really. So much waste. But you don't know what happened to the combine harvesters. That one looks really bad. And then you get these three here that don't even look that old. This one in the middle looks brand spanking new from the front, barring that, obviously this part here. Some of these don't even look that bad. How do you get up here? Oh, do these ladders spin? Oh, that's cool, that. Look at that, spin around. I don't know how you do it, like. These are probably seized. They're probably seized, but... yeah, because they spin around. See if this one will spin around. Yeah, we've done it. There's a nest under this one, so we'll not disturb that. Not sure if I've done this right. There's not much left, but pretty cool though still. Being better to getting that other one. I'll actually have a look. No, honestly, it's tragic.
Yeah, it is, because they're all working without belts. Bit of engineer's porn.
So yeah, it was quite interesting to see what's in the cab. Some of them have computers. This one looks like it's got a big screen. But again, it looks like it's suffered. Oy. Yeah, these crows have got babies in here, so I will not go up on that one. It does look like it's got a big screen. Look, the little crow there. can hear them all inside. I think they've actually got inside the cab and actually made a nest in the cab. So obviously the garden it. But yeah. Right, we'll go down here end and we'll come back up. But so many combine harvesters, different makes, models. It's not something you see every day, different makes, models, is it? I reckon the problem with these...
Got a brand new one.
Well, that was a brand new one, wasn't it? So
Yeah, we should find them on the street.
but yeah, we'll continue to take you around. Make sure you give it a like, as always, guys. Give it a share. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for more videos like this one. And yeah, let's keep on finding these combine harvesters. But yeah, some of them haven't even got cabs. It's almost like they have been taken off, like they've been unhinged on the actual bracket. Like they've not even got bolts, and they have been cut as well. So parts have been reused. Maybe where other farmers have damaged theirs. Look at that. That was a monster. It's big as well, but it's a shame. Nothing left of that one. There's some big fans there, but it's disaster. Another one. Massive Ferguson. There's not much dominators. Well, there's a lot of dominators, but they're not dominating nothing. There's a lot of different makes and models. That's what I like about this place. And it's not something you see all the time. I don't think I've seen anyone else I know that's done this. I'm not saying it's not been done, because it probably has. But one I wanted to do for a while. Seen it on maps and looked really interesting. It's a shame they weren't able to be saved quicker. Look right on them as well, what's decent, like what's left in them. But let's just go down the side of this and see. Right there is. Completely gone. Obviously, I'm not sure on how much a combine harvester costs, but I can't imagine they're very cheap. To lose a combine harvester of this size, it's a shame, really. Some parts look spanking, like the ladders obviously don't look brand new, but they do look alright. Some parts. It's fully burnt out. How old were some of these tractors when they're burnt out? That's the question. Obviously, some of you in the comments will know how old some of these tractors, not even tractors, combine harvesters are. Obviously, but as you come down here, you get more of your John Deeres. More of these Dominator ones. Or Class. Is it Class? Loads of these Lexion ones. Look at that. So it's full cab pulled off that one. So yeah, what we'll do, we'll go down there in a second. So I've seen this on a couple of these New Holland ones. These old black number plates. So maybe these are really, really old. And they do look quite old, judging by that seat up there. And I last checked on 2023. These ones are absolutely scrap by the looks of it. Doesn't look like there's much getting saved off this one. Or that one there. Absolutely savaged, some of these. And yeah, that's the bin. Metal recycling. Yeah, absolutely savaged. Got some more of them. I think these are the New Holland attachments for the front. And you got another John Deere here. Personalised number plate up there. Chalky. Through there you got another number plate. Handy in a way with the number plates, because if people do want to have a look online and see what details do come back when they were last used and stuff, it'll be interesting to find out what actually gets pulled back. Because I can imagine some of these are probably that old. They've probably been here more than 10 years. And some of them are completely, well, not unrecognisable, but they're completely gone, burnt out. One doesn't even look like it even had ever had a cab. Or if it did, it's been pulled off. But it doesn't even look like it's been out cut off that front. Another Massey Ferguson. Don't look all that bad, that one again. 14, it's got tax up there. This is 14. Let's see if we can get in this one. Imagine that, yeah, it's got keys in it and everything. Quite cool though, all the lights. Even got fans. All your attachment buttons on there. Obviously I don't know what any of this does, but it's quite interesting. You even get a cigarette lighter down there. Key's still in. Should we go for a drive? But yeah, I think birds have been using this as a nest inside and out. So yeah, all the attachments have been put on this side as well. But I like how they're all neatly packed, not just put in different orders. Quite cool. But yeah, I think gonna end the video here. Get a couple more pictures. Another number plate there. I'll zoom in. There you go. Obviously it will be interesting to find out what people do find online when they were last used. Maybe some people might know what happened to some of the combine harvesters. But yeah, make sure you smash that like button, guys. Give it a share. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.